Have you ever heard of strawberries à la Maltaise? Neither had I. It may just be the easiest French strawberry dessert that you're ever going to make this summer. I discovered it while leafing through Larousse Gastronomique, the Bible of French cooking. At the market this week, the Charlotte strawberries were impossible to resist because they're one of the sweeter varieties, but honestly, the oranges look just as good. And that's exactly why this recipe caught my eye, because it combines two of the best flavours of the season in one simple French dessert. But it's all in the presentation. To make fraises à la Maltaise, you're just going to need some fresh strawberries, one orange, this is for 2 people, just a little bit of sugar and Cointreau, some orange liqueur. I'm using Cointreau, but you can use Grand Marnier or Curaçao. Of course, if you don't want alcohol, you can add a little bit of orange blossom water. Use a serrated grapefruit knife to easily scoop out the orange and squeeze out all the lovely pulp. Just cut a little bit off the bottoms so they can stand upright in the bowl later. Otherwise, your oranges will look a little bit drunk and lopsided. I love recipes like this. They look as though you've spent ages making them, but it's really just strawberries, orange, and a little patience while they chill. And of course, it's all in the presentation, really. While you're hulling and cutting them up, keep those strawberry tops aside and put them in a clean jar and top with white balsamic vinegar. After 2 hours or overnight, it turns a lovely pink and beautifully fragrance to add to your salads. Add a good splash of orange liqueur. That's it finished already. We're just going to put that in the fridge to chill for 30 minutes minimum to 2 hours maximum. At this point, you may just want to test it, because if you've got very acidic strawberries, it does mean that it might need just a little bit of sugar. Because although there's sugar in the alcohol, you might just need a little bit. So it's up to you how you like your strawberries. Look at that lovely pulp. It's fresh, it's naturally light, and the sort of dessert you'd hope to find at a French restaurant on a lovely hot summer's day. And if this is a little bit too light and you'd like some cream with it, you'll find the French version of strawberries and cream. I'll leave you the video here for Fraises Romanoff.